Good afternoon, this is Chuck with Traveling with Oliver, and today we're going to do phase one. Well, actually it's kind of like phase 1A of a three-phase project we're going to do over the next month. But today, phase 1A, we're going to install the microair Easy Touch RV thermostat, and this is to replace our current Dometic thermostat. The Dometic thermostat's a great thermostat, except for there's a couple things I hate about it. Number one I hate about it is that you can't really tell what temperature is. I mean, it's funky. Then, as far as, we change the temperature, and is it auxiliary, is it high, is it low, furnace, air, whatever. But it's not a smart thermostat. It's not like what we have in the house. With the Easy Touch RV thermostat, we should be able to schedule things. So for instance, like when you go to bed at night and you've got it set to being fairly cold and you want the furnace to kick on when you get up at 5, well, you can schedule that. You can tell the microair to turn on the furnace in the mornings. We're also talking about three phases. Phase 1B, I'm actually going to be installing. Let me reach and grab it. I'm going to be installing the Easy Start from microair on the AC unit, so that we'll actually be able to run our AC off of our lithium batteries, which is phase 3 of this entire project. Phase 3 of the entire project. So this isn't going to be an unboxing. I mean, we could say it's an unboxing. Hey, we unboxed it. That's about all there is. There's just the thermostat. I'm not going to work through the installation. I'm going to video doing the installation, but it's not going to be something it's not going to be a how-to. Tons of those, and I'll put a couple down in the description or link them if it works, and those on how to. And I'm also not going to go through the app. I'm going to tell you some descriptions about what the app will do, but like I said, there's all kinds of other videos to do that. But this is phase 1A of our three-phase repair. What is the three phases as we sent in the other video, which I'll link here above. Phase 1A is thermostat. 1B is the soft start. Phase 2 will be actually to put an automatic genset starter on our own 3600. And then the last thing is we're going to do a full lithium battery, 400 amp hour Battleborn batteries with a Victron Multi Plus, with the Victron Servo GX, so we can have a monitor. That's going to be a treat. But without further ado, let's get back in the back and let's replace our current thermostat, this new microair. Like I said earlier, this really isn't like a how-to, but I'll just kind of run through it, so this will be very fast. However, I will throw down in the description some links. They're not my affiliate links, they're other people's affiliate links. But there's no reason to pay full price if you can go down to the bottom and a discount code. I think RV Geeks has a couple. I'll throw some down in the bottom. Pick the one you want. So now let's get to this. It shouldn't be very difficult. It should only take a few minutes. So here we go. To start with, we have to remove this from the wall mount. With mine, there's just 2 screws. I recommend that you always take a photo of the wiring, and that way you can use it later on. So that was poor planning on my part. I'm nowhere close to the house because this is where we store Oliver, and I didn't bring a jeweler screwdriver, so I'm going to have just clip my wires, and then but there's plenty of extra cable, so I'm just going to clip them, and then I will strip them and put them into the other. Yeah, like I said, this isn't going to be an app or an install type of thing. So, took just 10 minutes, done. It powers up. What's really kind of cool is it already says in here that it's 53 degrees, which is true. I should have looked on the Dometic to see what it said. It only said the temperature that I was set at. Didn't actually give me a temperature of what the temperature was. But so phase 1 done. Phase 1A done. We will get up on the roof to all the our Easy Start, and then we will go over to the generator, do phase 2, and we will install the auto gen start. And then phase 3, get and completely redo the entire electrical system all the way up into the breaker box. Thanks for watching. Check out those other ones. If you've got any questions, drop them down. Like I said, I'll throw some links at the bottom for discounts. Like I said, not my affiliate links, somebody else's, but they're still there. So until next time, have a great day.